Eh, who I go tell this word? Who I go call now? Who I go tell this word? Oh, hey, who I want tell this word? Who I want? Hey, oh, see my friend Jessica. Wey me and I dey gather dey tori. Jessica, where Jessica? Jessica. Hmm. Jessica, pick na, pick, matter dey ground, pick. How far na? Jessica, how you dey na? Belle artist na. Hey, long time na wa for you o. If I no call you, you no go even bother to call me. Na wa o. Hey, tori dey ground na. You know say if I call you, you know say tori dey ground. You suppose to know say tori dey ground na. My sister, you never hear matter. Mama, wetin be that her daughter name? Johan. Thank you, Mama Johan. You know say Johan don, e don comot for our country now. You understand now? No, I just look am finish. She don go that side, don reach there. My sister, when I see her mother today, that woman life don change o. E don change. You no go know Mama Johan again, Mama Johan. Hey, my sister. Hey, wait, e be like say I get call. May I cut this call comot it? Na you I wan talk to. May I cut the call comot? Abeg, I no just need any disturbance. May you just dey call for there. In fact, me I dey with you with normal line. Make that WhatsApp just dey talk for there. My sister, as we dey talk o. I say if you see that woman, e come be like under 16. I say her daughter don change her life. Na me I dey here. That my daughter wey no dey gree dey stay house, I no dey gree dey see am. Na that one you dey talk. She don still comot for house since na. She don comot o. Na that one matter na you dey talk. I say me now I wan just find how I wan take carry am comot for here. Make e come still change my life. Make e come change my life o. Go see Mama Johan, my sister. Jessica, my sister. I no see what I wan tell. Now say make I call you. You know say na me and you na dey. Where your husband na? Wetin una come dey do now? This woman, enjoyment wan kill you sha o. My husband, that man. Forget am. He don go e joint for that side. Make you leave. No be you me I dey call. So I no dey see person wey me and I gather dey talk. Papa go comot, daughter go comot. Only me one na remain. Wetin I wan do now? Later now they go say I dey do aproko. My sister. Okay now, man, no take your. My food dey burn o, my food. My food don burn. Aproko no go kill me. Tafia no go kill me. My food don burn. E don tey wey I don hear Mama Glory. You sure say that woman still dey this our country so? Mama Glory still dey? E don tey o. Wetin I go do na? I get work, I no get work. Papa no dey house, pikin no dey house. Wetin I go do? May I call? I go dey call. But my food don burn o. Hey God. Wetin I go come still tell this man today if he come pass? And he go ask me now say wetin I dey do wey before food come burn. Wetin I wan even tell am? Hey God, I don still enter o. Mama Glory, no mind me o. Mama Glory. That my friend don tey o. Don tey. That woman. Dey come make I call her. Make I call am. Mama Glory. I don see her. Mama Glory. Na wa for you o, this woman sef. Abeg dey go. You dey remember person? You no dey remember person now. Na only me one dey call. Na me and Jessica na just still talk finish now. Wetin my pikin go do na? Husband dey don go join thing. My daughter, you first dey see am. If you come my house, you first dey see am before. Forget that one matter. My sister, Hey, not be small thing no. Hey. I say make I call you. You know say na me and you na gather the tori together. You understand? That your daughter wey she not get character, she dey house. May not still go tell papa today say two of us don still dey line and not fit for wahala. No be small thing o. Favour. You no know that man wey be say Favour dey carry that time when e dey say wan marry Favour. That man wey be like chimpanzee wey no your fine at all. That man. Favour dey tell me say the man say he no want again. I say kakose. He no fine at all. Still dey talk say I no want again. I say Favour wetin dey shele now? Wetin you wan come do now? You wan come dey? He say for where? Now I say my sister I no wan hear am o. The Favour own still dey body. She don dey old dey go. She don dey old, but she say ma no talk come out abeg. I just wan softly tell you, make you sef no talk come out o abeg. Na me and you know say if I say my time must carry come tell you. Na only you wan dey keep your up for inside your mind. Go close your mouth, zip. Me I no dey zip my own. You know this my mouth e white to take talk. I go talk am. If I say I go talk. Provided I no have Maggi join. Even though I still have join, na make the matter sweet. I think dey sweet you na you dey lis ten. Favour, say the man say, as it come be so now, I no want again. I say, hey, now say you talk and say yes. Now say, what you want come do now? What you come dey shele? You come dey cry now, be waiting. He said, no, she not dey cry, but for me, I know say they pay am, you know. Favour not dey see man, you understand? You know, they see man before you even see this one when they carry am before. I know be say she not fine. Oh my God. People when they find out that they not they see better place wey see they follow there. Your daughter don enter house. Okay, we not come finish the matter now. What you want come do now? Okay, no problem. Okay, now no problem. Okay. Bye. Favour. Be like oh, Favour, she fine oh, really. If I get that time body where she get there. Hey, me sef I go select that over selection go worry me. Be this one. Don't be me and you talk finish. No. Hello. Why you dey cry now? Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey beat you? Me? Wetin I do? Your mama break leg for where? Not be me and I forget that talk finish. No. She don break leg. How? When? Where? How it happen? Now you tell me say she don break leg now. Wetin I wan do? Now I need to ask you question. Answer me. Where she dey now? You dey call me aproko woman. Me aproko. Wetin aproko come concern your mama when na me break your mama leg? Abi na me fall am? Wetin she dey do when she break leg? Where she dey? Wait till you just call me make you insult me. Abi you dey tell me say your mama break leg? I no dey understand you this week. I fit tell your mama say you no get one single character. One quarter character no dey with you. I still dey say my daughter no good, but you no good at all. You no just complete for you. Your mama no just. In fact, your mama be dey try, but your papa no train you well. Like daughter, like father. Tell me where your mama dey. I wan go see am. Which one be me come finish our aproko? You say your mama don break leg. What you say make I do now? I want to see your mama now, okay? Hey. Abi I no fit follow you talk. This phone na your mama own. Go give am to your mother. I want to your mama. Na your mama I want to. Bye. Na something dey come be these days. She sure come me dey insult me. Hello. Hey. No be small thing. Your daughter you dey insult me. If I may fair ask you, how it happen now? Where be that one? No be me and you talk finish now. How it can't happen? How you take break the leg now? I don't understand you. You fall. Your husband constantly knock you down. Now what for that man? You say what they do aproko. Then latest news now I just come give you. Now I just alert you the latest news when it dey. What take come happen for that one now? Hey, I bet I draw now come for where I dey. In fact, sef, let this our friendship make it cut. Because me I no just fit. How your leg first? If you don't dey okay, I bet no dey call me again. No go dey call you. If I even call you, sef, just bounce my call. You block me one among the two. anyhow. No, my sister, me, I don't dey vex already. Why I not go vex? Your daughter dey insult me. Your husband dey say we dey do aproko. Okay, friend to friend now. I see latest news now. I can't tell you now. Na bad thing I do. I don't understand though. What una dey try to use me change to sef? In fact, sef, if not be this man, when in fact the wahala no concern you. If not be this man, when e be say no dey stay house, this man dey stay house now. Na me and our oga dey gist. We go dey talk. You no concern anybody for outside. They go say I dey do aproko, I dey do aproko, I dey do aproko. I no go see who me and our oga talk. Na fridge me and our oga dey talk, or kitchen, or where me and our oga dey talk. No be human being oga dey talk. Una help me answer this question. Me I no understand though. I no understand. See my food sef, even food burn sef. I never know wetin I wan talk for that one now. If this man come house today now, na problem. I do bad. No call me again, oh. No call me again. I go for another friend for outside. Oh, these people, they don't make me feel safe. I don't. My head just dey hot. I better go help me remove this head. My head just dey hot. One pikin go dey insult me. For wetin now? Pikin just dey. God. Wetin I go do now? Wetin I go do? Wetin I go do now? But that insult, I no go just collect. In fact, I dey call him father. My call. My liver. My just leave am. I just forget. I wan go sleep. I don tire.